Welcome to Automoto Network. Today, we're diving into the safety features of the all-new MINI Countryman, the largest model in the MINI lineup. This crossover doesn't just impress with its style and comfort, it's also a 5-star champion in safety, as confirmed by Euro NCAP. Let's explore what makes the Countryman a top contender for safety-conscious drivers. The European Car Assessment Program, or Euro NCAP, is the gold standard for vehicle safety testing across Europe. And guess what? The MINI Countryman aced the tests with a perfect 5-star rating. Let's break down how it achieved this stellar result. First up, occupant protection. The MINI Countryman scored top marks in frontal offset and side barrier impact tests for child safety. Its innovative center airbag between the driver and passenger seats enhances passive safety, providing excellent protection during side collisions. When it comes to urban safety, the MINI Countryman shines with its advanced driver assistance systems. The latest front collision warning with braking function doesn't just detect vehicles, it also identifies pedestrians and cyclists, even those approaching from behind or ahead when you're turning. This proactive system helps prevent accidents with vulnerable road users. Another standout feature? The active engine compartment lid. This innovative design minimizes injury risks for pedestrians and cyclists in the event of a collision, proving reliable and effective across different speeds during Euro NCAP testing. Comfort and safety go hand in hand in the MINI Countryman. The seats and head restraints provide exceptional protection against cervical injuries, even during rear impacts. And let's not forget the emergency braking system that prevents secondary collisions, paired with intelligent emergency call technology for added peace of mind. With a 5-star safety rating, the MINI Countryman sets the benchmark for compact crossovers. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring the countryside, this all-rounder offers unparalleled protection for everyone on board, and even those outside the car. Safety, style, and innovation, the MINI Countryman delivers it all. If you're looking for a crossover that prioritizes your well-being, this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and insights from Automoto Network. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.